Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today, we will be unboxing the PS5 Digital Edition. Okay, so for today's video guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng PS5. So yung nakuha ko is the PS5 Digital Edition. Actually, yung nakuha ko is pre-order from Game One PH. Ito yung bundle para sa Digital Edition nila. So what we have here is the PS5 Digital Edition, a DualSense controller with 2K22 jumpstart bundle, and the PS5 3D Pulse headset. Okay, so for those who doesn't know, wala pa kayong mabibiling PS5 na mag-walk-in kayo sa mga stores to buy it. So as of now, pre-order basis pa rin tayo. Online lang talaga siya. And then, nag-announce naman sila kung magkakaroon ng pre-orders. And normally, around 2 PM to 2:05 PM lang siya. So, 5 minutes lang yung pre-order. Pero, kahit 5 minutes yun, wala pang 5 seconds, sold out na lang yung mga items. Okay, so, without further ado, let's do the unboxing! So first, let's unbox the main event, which is the PS5 Digital Edition. So si PS5 Digital Edition, malaki yung box niya. So kailangan ko angled view para ma-display yung box and maganda yung pagkuha ng item. So opening it, there's a box inside. Ito yung naglalaman ng mga accessories. So may included pa ring manual, of course. So hindi naman natin siya binabasa. So what we have here now is the base. So, magagamit natin siya kung anong orientation gusto natin. So, pwedeng vertical or horizontal. And then, next is the HDMI cable. So, may kasama pa ring HDMI cable pagkabili nyo ng PS5. And then, next is the AC power cord. And then, next is the DualSense wireless controller. Removing it from the plastic. So, sobrang ganda niya. Black and white as you can see. First impression, ang ganda niya tignan in person. Pero I will talk about it later. So let's continue with the unboxing. So next is the DualSense USB charging cable. So this one is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Dahil si DualSense controller ay USB-C na. Okay, so ito yung included sa box. PS5 Digital Edition, the manual, the base, the HDMI cable, the AC power cord, the DualSense controller, and then the DualSense USB cable. Before we check also the main parts of the PS5, let's just proceed with the unboxing kasi madami-dami tayong i-unbox. Next to unbox is the Pulse 3D wireless headset. Okay, so what's included in the box? So first is makikita natin yung Pulse 3D wireless headset. And then next is the USB-C charging cable. So USB-A to USB-C charging cable din siya. Okay, so looking at the wireless headset, this one specifically made for PS5. So I'm excited about this. Siguro sa review ko na lang gagawin kung ano ba talaga yung thoughts ko or kung okay ba yung Pulse 3D Pulse headset. Maganda yung design niya, very minimalist and at the same time futuristic. So yung design color or yung colorway niya is the same with the PS5, which is black and white. Pero meron ding 3D Pulse na available na all black. It charges via USB-C. And then most of the buttons are all on the left side of the ear cup. So yung on and off switch, yung mic, and then meron din siyang 3.5 jack, USB Type-C, then mute switch, and then volume up and down, and then meron dito off and monitor. So I'm not sure ano pang use niyan, and then chat or game, and then may mic ulit. Ayun, lahat ng nung controls or buttons is on the left side. Sa right side naman, wala tayong makikitang any buttons or any mic. And then judging by the quality niya, maganda naman yung quality niya guys. First time ko lang din to try an over-ear headphones na bilog. Kasi yung meron sa akin dito, hindi siya circular. And first impression ko dito is parang medyo weird pala yung bilog. If hindi ka sanay dun sa bilog na ear cups. Hindi siya na-adjust but meron siya nung parang rubber na parang cushion na rin siya. Parang second layer. And yun yung mag-adjust. If malaki yung ulo mo, ma-adjust naman siya and na-extend naman. Pero pag yung maliit yung ulo mo, hindi siya naliliitan. So, baka magkaroon ng problema if yung ulo mo is maliit for this specific headset and baka manibago ka. Pero on my end, sobrang sakto niya lang. I can feel the second layer and hindi naman sagad din. And feeling it lang, yung circular talaga, medyo naninibago ako. Pero yung feeling niya kasi mas sakop na sakop yung ears. So baka yung music niya or yung sound output niya mas maganda kasi buong tenga mo yung papasukan ng music or sound. Carrying it lang, hindi naman siya mabigat and I think isa to sa magiging issue in the long run if mabigat yung headset or headphones. Kasi pag mabigat siya, edi nakakangawin siya in the long run. Lalo na if you play 4 hours, 5 hours non-stop. Okay, so I will save some thoughts on this for the review. So I will use it for I think a month muna siguro or a week para magamit ko talaga siya and mabigay ko talaga yung thoughts ko about this while using it. Okay, so next is the DualSense wireless controller with the NBA 2K22 jumpstart bundle. So ano ba yung difference nito with the other DualSense controller in the market right now? Actually same lang, but additional lang is yung code or redeem code for NBA 2K22. So si Jumpstart Bundle, ang kasama niya is 3 My Team Pack and 2,500 My Team points. So if you're familiar with NBA 2K, alam nyo na kung para saan yung mga codes na to. And alam nyo na kung para saan itong mga points and my team. Okay, so if you're still watching with me, paunahan na lang sa makaka-redeem ng code. So ipa-flash ko na lang siya sa screen. So, congratulations kung sino man yung unang makakuha nung redeem code na to. And then next, yun lang yung difference niya with the other controller. Meron lang siyang kasamang NBA 2K22. Syempre, to promote NBA 2K22. Pag bumili kayo ng DualSense wireless controller na separate from the PS5, actually wala nang included na USB-A to USB-C cable. So now we are in the DualSense wireless controller. So let's just appreciate the DualSense wireless controller kasi sobrang ganda niya talaga and black and white pa. So as we can see, yung square, triangle, circle, and X, wala na yung may color. White na lang and gray tones nung shape. And then, same goes with the directional buttons. So, I think mas okay, mas uniform, and mas simple lang siya. And then, yung touchpad niya, okay na rin siya compared to the previous DualShock 4. And then, on this one, nakita ko sa ibang videos na yung ilaw niya, hindi nakagaya sa DualShock 4 na sobrang lakas ng ilaw dun sa harap. And dito, more on glow na lang siya. I think mas okay tong design na to. Syempre, to save battery. Ayun. Yung analogs niya, bago na rin yung feeling niya. Hindi ito yung kagaya nun sa DualShock 4. And then, we can also see here yung speaker grills. And then, yung PS logo. And then, yung switch for the mic. And then, meron siyang mic dito sa baba. And then, sa baba, yung 3.5 jack and some connector pins. Yung triggers niya, meron na siyang adaptive triggers. So, depende sa game if kukunat yung trigger niya. So, ang sobrang galing, sobrang innovative nung ginawa nila dito sa triggers. Mas immersive yung pag-play nyo ng games dahil dito sa adaptive trigger. And then, here on the top, you can see the USB-C slot and the Sony logo. And then, you can see also yung pinaka-main handle niya. Meron siyang pattern na shapes ni Sony. So, sobrang ganda. Though yun lang, dahil white siya, I think kakapitan to ng mga dumi or libag. And then, may logo lang dito sa likod, Sony, and other details. So, okay. So, let's proceed naman with the PlayStation 5 Digital Edition. The PS5 Digital Edition is very heavy. And then, ang laki niya talaga, guys. Nakita ko naman na to sa mga previous YouTubers ng unboxing. Pero iba talaga siya up close like this. If you plan this on displaying as well, sa console nyo or sa part nung setup nyo, then maganda siya as a parang art piece. Okay, so what I got is the PS5 Digital Edition. And then obviously wala siyang disk drive or disk tray. So medyo mas slim siya compared to the disk edition. So in front, we can see lang the ports na USB-A and USB-C. And then sa baba, the power switch. And then at the back, you can see that 2 USB-A ports, Ethernet port, the HDMI output, and yung power connector. And then as you can see, Ang dami niyang grills or opening for ventilation, and which is good in a way kasi though makapal siya, makikita mo talaga na meron siyang ventilation sa loob, and mas maganda yung pagbuga niya ng hangin para syempre hindi uminit yung PS5. Yung PS na logo nasa upper left corner, hindi siya sticker, may butas talaga siya. Nakabutas yung logo ni PS5. So, pag tinanggal nyo yung cover, see-through yan. Other things to note is yung sa likod, meron kang makikitang mga PS shapes. And then, sa upper right naman, makikita natin yung Sony na nakasulat. And then, as you can see, sobrang detailed din nung PS5 na to, yung casing niya. Meron pa rin siya nung mga PS shapes. So, sobrang ganda. And then, sobrang grabe yung attention to detail ni PS5. And then, syempre, yung glow nung PS5. So, ang ganda nung glow niya. Very futuristic na itsura niya. Very alien-like. And, ano talaga, para siyang art piece for me. Okay, so setting up lang is very simple. So, let's put the HDMI cable and connect it to my monitor. And then, yung AC cord to the power connector. And then, to the outlet. Turning it on. Okay, so sorry, hindi ko napakita yung first boot. Yung pinakaunang boot niya. Meron siyang pinapakitang animation na parang Big Bang effect na sumabog. And then, yon, so, sobrang ganda niya. And sa first boot nyo lang siya makikita. So, masyado kong inabangan yon, hindi ko napakita sa camera. Here, I'm playing the Astro game. So, sabi nung iba, ito daw yung pinaka-game na maximize yung DualSense controller. Kasi dito applicable yung mga haptic feedback and then yung adaptive triggers. Playing it, so sobrang ano talaga, sobrang kakaiba nung feeling nung DualSense controller na to. Ang hirap i-explain, pero yun nga, totoo yung adaptive triggers na meron siyang part na makunat pag may hinihila. Tinatamaan naman siya, nag-vibrate yung controller. So sobrang ano niya, sobrang immersive. And then, mas nafe-feel mong nasa game ka. So sa controller pa lang yun. And then, hindi ko pa na-try with the 3D Pulse if combination ba is magkakaroon ng ibang effect. So, I'll save that for the review. So, please make sure to subscribe to my channel para ma-aware kayo pagka-upload ko ng video na yun. Okay, so congrats again to the winner or kung sino man yung nakaunang naka-redeem nung NBA 2K22. Okay, so let me know also if you want to see more PlayStation content. Gagawa pa ako ng maraming videos if makita kong maraming audience na gusto pang makakita ng mga PlayStation content like this. Pero ang sure is magkakaroon ako ng review about the digital edition and the 3D Pulse. Pre-order is very hassle right now, pero if maka-chance kayo makapag-pre-order, might as well try it. And then, siguro ingat na lang din sa mga gusto talagang bumili like Lazada or Facebook na ingat kayo sa mga scams. Kasi may nakikita ko nagpo-post sa mga FB page about PS5 like PS5 Philippines. Merong mga na-scam. Lalo na yung mga reseller na sasabihin down payment muna and then pagka down payment, de-deliver and then tsaka na ano. So, it's a big no-no kasi hindi mo sure kung makukuha mo yung item. So, as much as possible, via COD na lang kung ganun lang din. Kung sa reseller lang din kayo bibili. Okay. So, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So, hanggang dito na lang muna uli guys. Talk to you soon.